In this video, we're going to be doing a complete review of Jetpack, going over its features, pros and cons, and price, and we can show you how it will improve your WordPress website. So without further ado, let's get into this review. Jetpack is an all-in-one plugin that adds many WordPress.com features to your website. It was created by the same team behind WordPress, so it works really well with their platform. With Jetpack, you don't need to install any different plugins. This keeps your site lightweight and less likely to have any conflicts. The plugin also comes with many modules that you can enable or disable as you need. You can choose only the features you want to use. This flexibility makes Jetpack a versatile tool for many website owners. Many WordPress users miss the built-in features available on WordPress.com when they switch to more of a self-hosted site. The nice part is that Jetpack fills that gap by connecting your site directly to WordPress. That way you have a connection that lets you use features such as site stats, image optimization, and social sharing tools. It also brings in extra security options like backups and malware scanning. With Jetpack, you can enjoy a more complete WordPress experience. This is especially useful for beginners and busy website owners who offer an affordable way to get extra features without a lot of extra work. Jetpack also offers a wide range of modules that cover many aspects of website management. The modules are grouped into categories like visitor engagement, security, appearance, and writing. And with so many different options, you can choose only the features that really are actually needed by your website. Now, the visitor engagement modules in Jetpack are designed to help you connect with your audience. The site stats module shows you clear analytics and traffic data on your dashboard. And with sharing buttons, you can easily share your posts on social media all from one place. There's also this tool called Publicize, which automatically sends your new posts to your social media accounts. And also related posts keeps your visitors on your site by suggesting similar articles that they can look through. Subscriptions let users sign up for updates, which can boost your audience growth and even allow you to build an email list. These features make it really simple to engage with your visitors and build a very loyal following. Now, Jetpack security modules work hard to protect your website. The Protect module stops brute force attacks by limiting certain amount of login attempts, as well as downtime monitoring, which checks your site every few minutes and alerts you if it does go offline. Security scanning helps find malware and other threats on your website. Site backups automatically save your content so you can restore it if something goes wrong. Spam filtering works with Akismet to block unwanted comments and form submissions. These tools can help keep your website safe and running smoothly. The appearance models in Jetpack give you extra ways to make your site look great. Photon is a module that optimizes and serves your images through a fast content delivery network. Tiled galleries allow you to create beautiful image layouts without extra coding. The Carousel module offers a full screen view for your photos. Custom CSS lets you add your own styles without editing your theme files. And Widget Visibility provides extra options to control where your widgets might appear. These modules help improve the look and feel of your website without heavy customization. Now, Jetpack's writing modules are also made to help you create and manage your content more efficiently. The Contact Form module allows you to add simple forms to your post or your pages. WP.me short links creates easy to share URLs for your content. Enhanced Distribution sends your post to WordPress.com's network, which can increase your reach. And Post by Email lets you publish content directly from your email list. And the Markdown module makes writing in plain text simple and clean. These writing tools save you time and help streamline your content creation process. Now, there are many advantages to using Jetpack. First, it brings together many essential features into one centralized plugin, reducing the need for multiple plugins in the first place. Second, the core Jetpack plugin is free. You can upgrade to premium plans for more advanced features if you need them. And third, it receives frequent updates and improvements from the Automatic team. These updates ensure that you're always having the latest tools and security fixes. Jetpack is easy to set up and use, and even if you're not very technical, it's a well-supported solution that many website owners are using currently. Overall, it's a very convenient and cost-effective way to set up your site in the first place. Now, really quick here, I want to do a quick overview of the actual products that they provide to you. They have a security options, performance options, growth options, management options, and create options. Now, one of the most important parts of this is actually going to be probably the performance options. These are going to get you access to some amazing tools like their site search feature, their boost feature, and their video press feature. Let's take a look at their site search feature. As you can see, you can help your visitors find what they need without any coding, no ads, and no tracking. This is basically a great way to actually get started with optimizing your website, so that way things are easier to find and your SEO is just a whole whole lot better. As I scroll down here, you can see all the different features that come with this specific part of Jetpack, and you can also see too that they'll even have a finely tuned search for your site so they can find the things you're looking for on your website in the first place. Also, one of the other tools that we talked about earlier, if we go back to their performance features, is their boost option. Now, this is the easiest way to actually speed up your website and make it much more efficient and effective. As you can see, you can check your site's performance currently and see actually how fast your site is currently functioning and what improvements you can make to it. There's also the option to improve search engine optimization by actually having page speed and reducing bounce rate by having faster web pages in the first place. If we scroll even further down, you can see that you can cache your website for even faster loading times. And their caching feature slashes load times and elevates visitor satisfaction, ensuring fast page load times by storing a snapshot of your website and giving visitors the best browsing experience. There's also obviously this option that has a simple interface, refreshing your cache on demand and ensuring your content is always up to date. And then of course, there's also the fine-tuned caching rules, keeping dynamic pages like shopping carts and live feeds interactive and current. If we scroll down here, there's also the ability to actually speed it up in general with CSS and functions, and also the JavaScript to actually make your page load quicker in the first place. And there's so many other features to choose from. Just look at the products tab where you can see everything that this actual plugin helps you with. Now that we've talked about all of its features, let's get into the pricing of Jetpack and how much you can expect to actually pay for this plugin. Now, if you guys want to get started with Jetpack completely for free, make sure you use that link down in the description of this video. When you click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, we can head over to the pricing page just so you have a clear idea of what you're going to be working with. Now, they have a couple of different plans that you can choose from. They have a security plan, a growth plan, and a complete plan. Now, the security plan is about $9.95 per month, but if you get it billed yearly, you can get 50% off of that plan, as well as 50% off the rest of these plans. Now, some of the actual features that come with a security plan include things like their WordPress backup, the actual scans that they do, and the Akismet anti-spam system. If we go up to their growth plan, we're going to be looking at about $9.95 per month, which once again we'll be saving on that, and you'll get similar stats. However, you're just going to get access to more helpful tools, things like their social sharing feature, the stats option, and even a newsletter and monetization tools. And then there's the complete option, which is probably best suited for people who want to build out a full website and have Jetpack in their corner. I would definitely recommend this plan for anybody who's planning on using their website for an extended period of time in the future. Once we figure out which of these plans we want to go with, we can also add individual products to our plan if we want to worry about their AI options, their WordPress options, their scan options, and some of the other awesome features that they have. Once we pick which plan we want to go with, we'll hit the get button, which will then take us to their checkout page. It'll give us a quick summary of everything we're getting with this plan. We'll enter in our email address, as well as continuing with the payment option, and then just like that, we can get started with Jetpack. If you guys want to get started for the cheapest price possible, make sure you use that link down in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down in the comments section if you guys have ever used this plugin before. Also, let me know your overall thoughts about it, and also hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.